Hello friends, in this video I'm going to add trailers to the episodes. So here when we have a series, seasons and episodes, so right here I want to display the trailer, the same thing we have for the movies. Okay, so we have a trailer here. And if I open the VS Code and open the episode model, we added the trailers here. Okay, so I'm going to open the movie index, and here we have a show trailer method. Is going to show the trailer model, and we have add trailer and delete trailer. So I'm going to copy all of them and open the episode index Livewire, and I'm going to add them here. Now first of all, we here expect the episode ID and episode find or fail the episode ID. We don't have a movie here, so and also we need to create this show trailer, and so come here and after that add a public show trailer to be false by default, and also we need to create public $sign episode, and this is going to be show trailer like this. And now also you need to import the trailer URL. So when we show trailer, we expect the episode, and this episode now we created is going to be with episode we have here. And now this episode trailers is going to create that trailer, and here the same thing, we are going to delete the trailer with that ID. Okay, I'm going to save this and now open the movie index blade, and I'm going to copy the trailer model here and also open the episode index blade, and I'm going to paste the trailer down there, so here. Okay, and so we need the button to display the trailer, so when it show trailer model, I'm going to copy this one and paste it the same when we have the right here. Just here we need to add the episode ID, and I think also I'm going to check the trailer model. Here is going to be not close but close episode model. Okay, and here we check trailer episode, and here we check for the episode. If the episode is there, we can say episode trailers, and I think we are okay. So if I save and go and try now, go to the backend, series, seasons, episodes, and yeah, here we have trailer. If I click here, we display that, and we in the console we don't close close episode modal. Yeah, where is the episode? Close episode modal. Close episode modal. Yeah. I'm going to say also $sign this. Show trailer is going to be false. Okay, it's saved. Come here and refresh. And now click this one. Click cancel. Yeah. Okay. If I come here and I'm going to copy this embed code here and go to the backend. I'm going to say property embed HTML not found. So we need also the embed HTML and trailer name. I'm going to copy here and go and paste it just right here. Save, refresh, try again, copy embed code, paste it here, say trailer, add trailer, and now I think we added a trailer. So if I go to episode and when we say add trailer, we reset all, but I don't want to reset all. I want to reset the episode, show trailer, and also the trailer name and the embed HTML. Okay, save, go back, refresh, and go to the trailer. Say trailer here, add trailer. We say add trailer here, but if I click, we don't display. And if I open now the table plus to see the database, open the movie app, trailers, trailer URL, and we have the name and trailerable ID, and we have 4 episodes, but we don't display the. And why we don't do that? Here we say if we have episode trailer, and yeah. Okay, so when we show a trailer modal, we associated this episode and change. Yeah, where is the problem? So refresh again. And show trailer modal. Again, here the episode ID is 3. And if I go to the episode, where is the episode? Episode ID 3 is the OS, so episode number is 3. come here and yeah, why we don't display the episodes, the trailers, sorry. Okay, one more. Episode index. For each episode trailers. Also open again the episode model. Yeah, we have trailer. We think we need to check also the trailer URL. Yeah, we have the trailer able. Okay. Trailers. Okay. I'm going to say here $sign episode ID and hit save and go and refresh. Episode now is 5. And why is that? Again 5, yeah. Okay, so that is the problem. Go to the episode index. I'm going to say before do anything this reset the episode first and after now click here. Why we have again the episode with ID 5? Oh yeah, it's the same thing we have with we had with movies. So save, go to the episode index, and here we have the episode, but we have also the episode in the table. So where is the table? Yeah, right here. So instead of the episode like this, I'm going to do and I think it's better to add. Yeah. Now I'm going to say table episode and the same thing here. Hit save and go to the browser and refresh. Why is that? Ah yeah, here now we don't have the episode, okay? So we have error. I'm going to remove and hit save. From here refresh, and now if I check, we have 2 trailers. If I click, we delete that, but go to the episode index. When we delete a trailer, we reset everything. So I want to reset the those. Copy, paste, and hit save. Refresh. Go to the trailer and click again. Yeah, trailer deleted. Check. Okay. Copy the embed code and paste it. Say trailer, add trailer, trailer added, and we have a trailer, add again, and then now I'm going to say YouTube, and yeah, trailer added, check again, and we have 2 trailers here. go to the front page, series, seasons, and go to the season 1 and check for the episodes. Which episode has episode? Yeah, this one. And yeah, we have trailer and we display it here. Okay, friends. Hope you enjoy and see you with the next one. All the best, friends.